Does this error code occur on your Mail app? If it does, you can resolve the following error code with these potential solutions. First, what you can try to do is to use the Windows Store app's troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, and select Run beside the Windows Store app's troubleshooter. Once done, go through the troubleshooter and apply all suggestions it makes. Now if that did not work, change the privacy settings for Mail app. You just have to go to Settings again, select Privacy and Security, click Mail, turn on Email Access, then click Let Apps Access Your Email to expand options, toggle the Mail and Calendar app if it's not already, and also turn on the People app listed there. And then last on the list, reset and repair the Mail application. To do it, open Apps and Features, scroll down and look for the Mail application, then click More Options, click Advanced Options, scroll down again, and then look for Reset or Repair the app. And those are the following ways on how you can fix the following Mail application error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.